I want to show you how to export video for TikTok in Premiere Pro. I have my video here and it's ready to be exported for TikTok. First, we want to go to the Sequence tab and click on Sequence Settings. Then ensure the resolution of your clip is 1080 by 1920, as this is the optimal resolution for TikTok. Now you're ready to export. Go over to File, then Export, and click on Media to open your export menu, or you can simply hold Control and push M on your keyboard. In our export menu, format should be set to H.264 and the preset to match source high bitrate. If you click on the blue link output name, you can change the name of your file and where it's being saved on your computer. Scroll further down under video and check off Render at Maximum Depth. Then if you keep scrolling, you'll see bitrate settings. Click the drop-down for encoding and set it to VBR 2 and set both target and maximum to 10. Now simply check off the Use Maximum Render Quality option at the bottom and click on Export.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.